Hi guys, it's Risa and Molly, and we're just cooking up the sauce from the roast, and we added a couple tablespoons of cornstarch with some of the sauce and some water, and we're just adding that. We let the sauce come to a boil, and then you add it in and you stir it with a whisk so that you can thicken your sauce for your gravies. Okay, and that's what you do. The other thing to do is after you have your roast, you let it cool and take all the vegetables out. You put it in, you keep it in a pan and you put it in the fridge, and look at all the fat that comes off of it. So you want to keep it cold in the fridge and discard all the fat. Okay, this is really a helpful hint so that you have a nice lean roast. And here's the roast, and we're going to be cutting that up soon. My brother, who's the expert, will cut the roast, and if he lets me, I can film him cutting the roast. So my mom's just thickening this beautiful sauce. It's going to be super delicious. And Mom, what do we do after that?
We let it cool and we can pour it over the roast after it's cut.
Okay, good. And keep it in the fridge, covered, right?
Yes.
For a couple of days.
Yeah.
And if you don't eat it, it's good to keep it in the freezer in a sealed container.
No, in the fridge.
No. If you don't eat it, right? If you're cooking it in advance, you keep it in the freezer.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. And we're going to be eating it, though, for our holidays. And this is amazing to have any time of year. All right. So just remember, you want to thicken your sauce. You're going to add, if you have a lot of sauce, you can use a couple tablespoons of some cornstarch with some of the sauce before it's heated, about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons with a little bit of cold water. Stir it and add it to your sauce once it comes to a boil. Okay, and remember, all my recipes are written underneath the video.
But don't forget, this is a 10-pound roast. So
yeah.
you won't have as much sauce, so you may not,
Yeah, depending on how much sauce you have, you can use less.
How big your roast is.
Yeah, and if you make a lot of sauce like my mother does, and that recipe is on my YouTube channel. Okay, so hopefully you continue to subscribe and post and comment and tell me what you think. And my mom's going to say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Or whenever you're making it. Bye for now. Love you guys.
Bye.